First of all, sorry for my bad English, but I want to show you how to remove clear coat from old headlights. This is from Honda Civic European market. After hours of sanding, I get this result, and this is only the left headlight. I have one more to do, and it's terrible. It's long lasting process, and I figured out how to remove the clear coat. uh, I I I mean this layer. Easiest I found the easiest way to do this. It's a very simple process of doing it. So I drop it a tiny bit of brake fluid brake fluid on this old lens that I have laying around, and see the result. The clear coat is gone without sanding, without any sanding, and there's nothing damaged. There's no damage on the lens itself. Here I wipe it out, but here I'm not, here it is. It goes right away, Impressive.